Start by navigating to the Recurring Jobs section from the main menu. Use the filters to narrow down which recurring jobs you want to create. For example, you might filter to show everything due in the next 3 months. If needed, remove or adjust filters to include recurring jobs across multiple sites. Select all the recurring jobs you want to create by using the checkbox selection. Click the Generate Jobs button. This will prepare the selected recurring jobs for creation. Set the scheduled date and time for each job and assign technicians. You can schedule multiple jobs for different people all at once. Click Generate and Schedule to create the jobs and place them on the calendar immediately. Alternatively, you can choose to generate without scheduling if you prefer to schedule later. Review the jobs that have been created. You'll see a confirmation showing the number of jobs generated. Open a job to verify the details. You'll see the assigned technicians, attached assets, and the scheduled date. Navigate to the Schedule view to confirm that newly created jobs appear on the calendar for the assigned dates.